All right, friends, here's the last part of chapter 6. So remember, Mr. Scary just told them they're going to write a poem called a cinquain. And this is what that kind of poem is. He wrote the 5 rules on the board. The first line is one word, and that's the title. Line 2 is 2 words that describe the title. Line 3, 3 action words about the title. And line 4, 4 words that express a thought or feeling about the title. And the 5th line is 1 word that means the same thing as the title. After that, he wrote a cinquain for us to see. It was a poem called Pickle. So, I'm going to try to show you if you can see it. So this is what it says. Pickle, so that's the 1 word, the title. Bumpy, lumpy, those are the words that describe it. Crunching, munching, lunching, those are the 3 action words. Cucumbers making you pucker, that's a thought or a feeling. And then the last word is gherkin, which I'm assuming that's a type of pickle, another name for a pickle. I laughed at that crazy thing, because who ever heard of a pickle poem? Writing a cinquain is fun, I said. This assignment will be a breeze, I think. Mr. Scary smiled. Well, sometimes poems can come very easily, Junie B., and other times they don't. But if you share words and ideas with each other, you can really help spark your imagination, he said. He looked all around. In fact, I thought it might be fun for some of you to write your poem as a team, he said. May quick came out from under her sweater at that news. She looked at our group. Okay, fine. I'll be the team leader, she told us. After that, she made a mean face at Mr. Scary, and she took out her pencil. I know just what we're going to write about, she said kind of growly. She waved her hands to us. You 4 guys just talk about your normal, stupid stuff, and I'll write the poem, she said. I'll read it to you when I get done. She doesn't sound like she's being a very good team player, does she? Lenny looked disappointed. But Mr. Scary said we would write our poem together, May, he said. See, said Jose, we're supposed to share thoughts and ideas, remember? May threw her hands in the air. I knew it, she said. I knew working as a team wouldn't work. Fine, you guys just write your own poem, and I'll write mine. After that, she took her pencil and paper, and she hid under her sweater again. All of us looked at each other and shrugged, and then we started right to work. I tapped on my chin. It says the first line needs to be the title, I said, so maybe the title should come first. May peeked her eyes out at me. Duh, she said. Jose covered her up again. Just then, Herb raised his hand. Hey, I know, he said. Since Mr. Scary wrote a pickle poem, why don't we write one about an olive? He leaned back in his chair and did a happy thumbs up. No one did a thumbs up back. 'Cause what kind of dumb idea was that? An olive, I said. I hate olives, said Jose. I threw up an olive once, said Lenny. Herb looked irritated at us. I patted him. Don't be mad, I said. It's just that maybe there's something funner to write about than an olive, that's all. See, said Jose, like maybe we could write about soccer. Playing soccer is fun, right? Yes, I said. Plus, riding the bus to school is fun too, right, Herb? Me and you always have fun on the bus, don't we? Lenny shook his head. But I don't ride the bus, Junie B., he said. I think we should write about something that all of us know about. He thought for a second, and then he clapped his hands together. I know. We could write about how all of us shampoo our hair to keep it healthy and shiny. All of us do that, right? After that, me and Jose and Herb just looked at him. 'Cause sometimes Lenny is off the deep end, that's why. Finally, Jose put his head on his desk. Maybe we're making this too hard, he said. Why can't we just write about something easy, like about how all of us are friends or something? Herb smiled a little bit. Yeah, that's a good idea. We could write about the 4 of us, and we could call it Friends. Jose smiled too. See, he said, or Amigos, maybe. Just then I bounced up and down real excited because the perfect title just hit me. That's why. It hit me right out of the clear blue sky. Pallies, I said. Let's call it Pallies. 'Cause that's what we are, right? All four of us are bestest pallies, and Pallies sounds like a cute title, don't you think? I looked at them real hopeful, then all of my pallies started to smile. Our poem was off to a great start. That's a way to work together as a team. That's impressive. All right, chapter 7 is called Pallies. See what they write about. All right, so today you guys will listen to 2 parts. They're both chapter 6. All right, have a great day. Bye.